So the system we're gonna get hit by is kind of in like Maryland, the Philadelphia, Baltimore area. So it's quite ways away, but I'll show you the guys the radar right now. Alright guys, I'll talk to you when it starts snowing, so I'll see you then. Might be nighttime, but who knows. First signs of snow right now. Just starting to snow. Heavy snow starting to develop and come in from the southwest. But still debating whether to start the time lapse tonight. Not really sure. Overnight, we're definitely gonna get the heaviest snow we've ever seen in our life. But it's gonna accumulate very quick. I just hope it doesn't rain and wash it away. I think we're gonna get like a foot. I think we will. But yeah, next clip's gonna be the time lapse. Alright guys, just a little update. It's still snowing pretty good, but a lot of it has moved by. We're going to be testing how much snow is on the ground with a ruler, so I'm going to check that right now. Oh wow. So we are about 6.5 inches. Alright guys, so it's still snowing out. I'm just going to wait till the snow stops, and then I'm going to go outside if it's, still light. Get some pictures, beautiful landscape pictures, and then yeah, it'll probably be the video. Here are the pictures that I soon will be getting, so I'll show you them right now.